Hi, this is Cable. I'm going to talk about some tricks and tips for making your own Halloween makeup. When making your own fake blood, you need a few things. Some corn syrup, it can be light or dark, and some red and blue food dye. You'll need another container. I'll use this measuring cup for starters. You can experiment with the color and the opacity of the blood depending on your level of desired realism. I'll use several drops of red, depending on how bright I want it. So it's maybe 1/8 of a cup of corn syrup to maybe 20 drops of red food dye. Now because blood isn't really this bright, sometimes you like to darken it up with just 1 drop of blue. Stir it well, and there's easy fake blood.